Let's call this what it is, not bullying but assault. That boy at Milnerton High wasn't picked on, he was attacked. 8 boys 18 years old beating another learner while everyone watched. And what makes it worse, the principal only acted after the video went viral. This isn't discipline. This isn't leadership. This is failure. We keep saying our youth are the future, but how can they be when they're learning violence instead of values? Instead of building each other up, our children are breaking each other down. Who do we blame? The boys, the parents, or a government that stripped all accountability, structure, and respect from our schools? This is not normal. This is not kids being kids. This is a country losing its moral compass. Stay safe, stay streetwise, and remember to like and follow.